Hello my fellow DIYers. Today I am going to be changing out this dining set and making it white. I've got this Dixie Belle Paint, silk, all-in-one mineral paint. I've used the Dixie Belle chalk paint in the past and I loved it. And then I saw somebody online using the silk and I thought, I should give that a try. I actually ordered this dining room set when I was in an airport, so I didn't actually see it. I only saw it online. And it was described as cream, but it's a little more yellow than I was expecting. So hopefully this will do the trick. Before I got started, I cleaned the table off with a disinfecting wipe. Dixie Belle does make a cleaning solution you can use, but I figured the table was so new, it really didn't have a lot of grime on it, so I just cleaned it myself. As you can see, there's no rhyme or reason to the way I'm applying this stuff. I've just got a regular brush and I'm just going on. I was told not to go too heavy, so it's light strokes. But this stuff does cover pretty well. There, you can see how yellow that table is. So this is pretty different. Now my husband did not want me to change the color of the table, so I did end up compromising a little bit, as you are about to see. Now I guess I went over this a couple of times to get it fairly even. But the good thing about Dixie Belle paint is it dries fast. I ended up just painting the top of the table, and I kind of like the way it turned out. Now I could have gone over it with another coat just to make it really even, but it's almost got a textured look to it, and I'm kind of digging it. So we're going to start with that, and if we can all live with that in the household, it will stay like this. Now you don't have to put a coating on top, but I bought the Dixie Belle Clear Coat Satin, and apparently you just have to put that on top, and then again, it dries really quick. Oops, you have to take this off as well so you can actually get at it. That's what happens when you're not wearing your glasses. And then boom, here it is. Clear Coat Satin. Let's see. You don't need it, but I'm going to put it on there anyway because it's a table and it's going to get a lot of use. And we're going to be cleaning it a lot. So I figured just another layer can't hurt. So that 16 ounce of the satin mineral paint in the white cap that did this, I liked it so much that I actually used it to do a dresser as well. And that only took about 2 coats, and that worked out well. I don't even think I'm going to put the satin coat on the dresser. I'm just going to put the satin coat here on the dining room table, and then we are done. So Dixie Belle Paint getting 2 thumbs up from me. Leave your comments below. No thumbs down, just thumbs up please. And let me know what projects you've done with Dixie Belle Paint. I'm definitely a fan. Enjoy.